Whether you're checking your email, streaming a movie, or collaborating on a doc, you're using the cloud every single day. But behind those simple clicks is a complex world of cloud services with some seriously confusing acronyms. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, it's technical jargon that can make it overwhelming when starting in IT. But what if I told you that figuring it all out is as easy as making a cup of coffee? Yep, coffee. In the next few minutes, we're going to use that familiar ritual to break down the hidden world behind your favorite apps. We'll cut through the jargon and show you what's really going on in the cloud. By the end of this, you won't just get what IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS mean, you'll be able to explain it to anyone. So grab a mug and let's talk coffee and the cloud. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and share with a friend. It really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate your support. Check out my courses on Udemy, including a beginner's guide to the AZ900, packed with even more cloud computing concepts. And of course, a big thanks to all my channel members. Let's start with a historical perspective of how things used to be done. And for a lot of companies, they're still done this way. It's called the on-premises model. Think of it like deciding you want coffee, but you're going to make it completely from scratch. And I mean completely. You grow the beans, roast them, grind them, boil the water, brew the coffee, pour it into your own cup, and wash the dishes afterwards. You're responsible for everything start to finish. That's a traditional data center. A company owns and manages everything. Servers, storage, networking, operating systems, security, and updates. If hardware fails, they fix it. If they run out of capacity, they buy more. Maximum control, but also maximum responsibility and cost. Okay, growing your own beans and roasting them yourself is a ton of work. You want an easier option. Instead, you head to the store and buy roasted coffee beans and premium bottled water. The fundamentals are ready for you, but you still have to grind the beans, brew the coffee, and serve it yourself. You're still managing most of the process, but the base infrastructure, roasting and preparing the beans, is done for you. That's infrastructure as a service. The cloud provider takes care of the data center, physical servers, managing disks and storage, and networking. You take over from the operating system up, installing software, managing data, and running applications. You get flexibility and control without managing the physical hardware. Buying beans is nice, but maybe you want to simplify it even more. Imagine you get a coffee machine that already has beans and water preloaded. You just press a button and fresh coffee pours out. You don't worry about grinding, brewing, and filters. The machine handles the platform. All you do is decide how strong you want it or whether to add milk and sugar. That's platform as a service. The provider gives you a ready-to-use environment for developing, testing, and deploying apps. No server management, no OS updates. You focus on building and running your application without managing the underlying infrastructure. It's the push a button and get coffee experience. Now let's take it one step further. Maybe you don't even want to deal with a coffee machine. You just walk into your favorite cafe, order a latte, and it's handed to you, ready to drink. No prep, no cleanup, just sip and enjoy. That's software as a service. Everything, hardware, platform, and software is managed by the provider. You just log in and use the app. Think Gmail, Salesforce, Dropbox, Teams, and HubSpot. No servers, no installs, no updates, just a finished product you can use instantly. So let's put it all together. With on-premises, you grow the beans, roast them, and brew the coffee yourself. You manage everything. With IaaS, you buy roasted beans and water. The provider handles the basics. You handle the brewing. With PaaS, you use a coffee machine. The provider sets it up for you. You just press a button. And with SaaS, you buy coffee at a cafe. Everything is done for you. IaaS and PaaS cloud services use consumption-based billing. So you only pay for what you use, just like you only buy as many coffee beans as coffee you'll consume. Unlike on-premises setup that requires buying hardware for peak capacity, cloud services can be scaled up or down as needed to match the workload and cost. SaaS services are usually billed per user at a fixed rate, regardless of the usage. For instance, Zoom charges the same fee whether you use it daily or just once a month. Each model has its place. IaaS gives flexibility and control, while PaaS speeds up development without managing infrastructure, and SaaS delivers instant solutions. Most companies use a mix of all three. So from growing beans to walking into a cafe, you now have a simple way to remember on-premises, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. This as-a-service world powers so much of our digital lives. What was the aha moment for you? Do you have another analogy that helps you explain it? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you want more simple breakdowns of complex technology concepts, hit subscribe to check out my cloud computing playlist over on the side someplace. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.